Hi, classmate and Professor Najera. This is my third video response to the third week forum, which asks about the advantages and disadvantages of using the diamond model of national competitiveness. First of all, I would talk about the advantages first. As globalization brings things closer, and now globalization becomes more big part of the companies or firms or the any country. So this model will help companies to understand the issues that are relevant to competing with players in different nations. And the second advantage is as economic development is never ending concern of government. It would also be a tool for the government. It will benefit for the government to understanding what policy may be helpful in their supporting or in their specific industry. The third is this model will provide direction for policymakers and companies on how to use the method of to their profit or their benefit in developing their various strategies and positions. And the last advantage is if they use this model, it will provide helpful information to the companies in order to set up the policy, or they will know where should they invest next in the near future. Even though using this diamond model provide a lot of advantages, but disadvantages, but there are some disadvantages as well. The first disadvantage is this model can use only in the mature economic only. So in the emerging markets, such as Russia, India, or Brazil, cannot really apply or cannot use this model successfully. And the second disadvantage is to achieve this success, the policymaker needs to concern all the four aspects of this factor in the model, which are factor conditions, firm strategy, structures and rivalry, demand conditions, and related and supporting industry. They cannot really ignore any of important attribute in this model. And the third disadvantage is as nation and government evolve and change, the home environment of a company changes as well. So each economy or industry need to recognize the changes and apply or adapt accordingly to make sure that the success can be maintained. The last disadvantage is the sophistication companies face. Sometimes the company in some location faces the sophisticated problems as well. For example, without a high quality transportation infrastructure, no one can effectively compete compete on sophisticated service without well-educated employees. Thank you for listening.